Morning, children. Yes, continuation of the last week lesson, saying without speaking. Last week, we have learnt about all the 5 sense organs. What are the sense organs we have learnt? Now we recall. We have learnt about eye, ear, nose, tongue, and skin. Now you know about their work also. They are the gateway of our knowledge. We see with our eyes. We hear with our ears. We breathe and smell with our nose. It helps us to taste. Tongue. The skin helps us to feel. These are the things you have learnt last week. The sense organ and the senses. This is very important. All these 5 organs take us to a different world, because otherwise we will not learn anything. All the 5 organs are like teachers for us, right? It will teach. Now we'll go to the lesson. The first itself they wanted to play Damsharas. Damsharas, it's nothing but write something on a paper. We do it. See, when you come back, we'll do surely one full period we enjoy. In this game, everyone has to let others know what they want to tell without speaking. See, with the action they have to show. That is called Damsharas. The teacher is giving a paper with a situation written on it. See, suppose the whole class is participating, what they will do? See, there is a group of children are participating. What they will do? They'll put all the papers inside. Each one is taking and they are trying to do the action, and the others are finding out whether. See, one child is dancing and show. Maybe a dancer. This is called, the game is called Damsharas. Damsharas. Now today, because it is lockdown period, ask your daddy, mummy, everybody participate and play with them. Is that game interesting for you? After playing only you will know. Yes, will be interesting. Is it very difficult? Yes, it is difficult. I found it difficult to act without speaking. Yes, it is difficult. It is difficult for most of us. It will be difficult. For some, easily they will act and go. See, the man wanted to tell something, the boy wanted to tell something to the girl. Have you seen anyone talking through actions? Yes, there are some children, they will talk with actions. Maybe they cannot speak or they cannot hear. They will try to show with the accent. When do people need to talk like this? Because they are not able to talk. They'll do the action. If they are not here, that time also they will try to. Deaf and dumb people, they will mime. The mime artist. Have you seen in our schools? They'll put white paint on their faces and they'll come and do a lot of actions in front of almost all the assembly programs we had this. Yes or no? Miming. That is called miming. When a person deaf or dumb, he needs to talk like this. Some stage artists also like this. The miming artist, they never talk. They'll only show the actions, but the whole story will be clearly understood by the audience. Now, most of us can hear, speak, but there are some people who can neither hear nor speak. These people talk through actions. They understand what the other person is saying by studying their lip movement. They will look at us, they look at the lip movement. If you are a little far away, your mummy is calling means you find out the lip movement. Somebody has visited your house. Your auntie has come. Yes, my auntie has come. Appa has come. Anything. It can be anything. Lip reading is an art. If you are very close to the person, you can, without hearing or noise, you can read the lip movement. Some can draw well. Others can sing in tune. We are all special in our own ways. Every child of third standard is, everybody is very special in the whole world. Nobody is one is higher level, one is lower level. No, all are equal in schools. All are equal amount of brain is given, equal amount of IQ is given. How we are using it, that is only. Now see, they are using a sign language. Already I have sent a video for you. See, they know what are the actions for these hand movements. See, there are two persons. They are wishing each other. They are saying hello. See the hand, they are saying hello. Each hand movement, this I will send the video again if you want. Already I have sent a video. Please see the video again. One cannot see, we call them as blind people. One who cannot speak, we cannot call them as a dumb person. One cannot hear, deaf person. Then one cannot walk, lame, or physically handicapped. We call them differently abled person. They are differently abled, means there is something very special in them. See, this is not there in them, but something differently abled. They are very special. Some of them who cannot hear, either they will sing beautifully. Just see in the railway trains and all, the child cannot see, but she will sing so beautifully, so beautifully. A person who cannot hear also sing beautifully. A person who cannot talk only, it's a problem. Here, I have a sister. My sister is deaf. See, the person is telling, I have a sister. She is deaf. She is very special. My sister can play piano. See, she cannot hear the music, but she loves to play the piano. This deep rumbling chords, but she will never be able to sing. She cannot hear the tune. She likes to leap and tumble, to roll, to climb to the top of the monkey bars. See, this child cannot hear, she cannot speak, but she loves to play the piano. It is a musical instrument. That is why they said differently abled person. We should not underestimate. We should not think low about them. Now my sister has started going to my school, although our mother still helps her speak and lip read at home. Because lip read is an easily they can find out. See, even the news, 1:30, they will show the news. See, the lady will show all the action, the whole news, she will show it in action. Many people can understand, easily understand. The teacher and the children do not understand every word she says, like sister or water or thump. I wore my sunglasses yesterday. The frames were very large. The lenses are very black. My sister made me take them off when I spoke. What do my brown eyes say to her brown eyes? See, this is a beautiful saying. See, when you are wearing a glass, the child is looking at your eyes, and they are looking at your eyes and trying to understand things. Here, the blind people, those are blind people, they have to read. See, they are using the Braille method. The method is called Braille methods. Now, this method, they will touch there is a small marking out there. With that marking, they can read. See, the emergency openable window. That is the Braille method they have written. That is the meaning there. They can understand. Break glass and pull chain, remove. The Braille alphabet. See, this is the way the Braille alphabet. You can see the blind people, they have studied up to, they are studying college and everything they are doing with this type of books. It's only dots will be there, small dots. They will just touch and say, they can read the words. They can read the words. This is the way the Braille alphabet will be there. Her eyes will tell lot of things. Yes. When a teacher entering the class, with the smile, you also will smile. If I enter, Because if you are noisy, if I enter with an angry face, what will you say? Oh, Miss is very angry, better be careful. Yes, she may shout. This we know the face reading. When mummy is upset, why mama? I will not trouble you. See, yeah, our face shows their actions. This is Julie. Her little sister was born just yesterday. She's very excited. How will her face? Excited. See, we'll make our eyes big and we will be like, I got my sister. Like, smiling, clapping. This is Yamini's mother today. While Yamini was taking out the bottle of pickle from the kitchen, it fell down from her hand and broke. Draw the look on her face. What she will be? She'll be very upset. Yes? She'll be very upset. She'll be showing a very sad face. Very sad face. Or if it is broken by her, by the child, she'll show the angry face. I don't know who has broken that. This is Regana. She was suddenly saw a dog. She's afraid of dog. Okay, what will she do? Her face will be mixture of fear and running. She will try to run. By looking at someone's face, we can tell if the person is happy, sad or angry. Yes, we can very well tell whether they are happy or sad or they are in good mood or bad moods. This has happened for you. Yes, I think it's happened for me. I think everybody you can see. The whole day when mummy is in good mood, we try to ask what you want. We can talk through the dance as well. Yes, all the Bharatanatyam dancers, they'll show us the Kambramayanam, Mahabharata. They take a scene of it and they will actions. See, another dance is a Manipuri dance. They'll also tell the historic events, what has happened. See, each one they will show actions, sign languages, and see these are all the sign languages. See, I think it is a flower. One is a flower, another it's a bloomed flower. One is a bud, another is a flower. One is I think it is a deer. Another one is a bird. It's all I'm thinking, I'm assuming. Look at these mudras, because I am not a dancer. See, these mudras, we have to ask the dance teacher. See, when we meet, I'll ask the dance teacher to show. Now, this is the exercise part of it. See a squirrel enjoying on the branch. Make your own story. This is your own story. I should not interfere. Tell the story to your friends and discuss. This, you have to do it. And those who are good in the dance, please write the mudras and send it to me. I'll be happy just to flash for everyone. And you are going to become a writer. Please write the story. Write the story of your own story and complete in your book. Yes. Now, today you have learnt about how you have to show your emotions or what you want to talk without talking. That means in the class you can be quiet. Your eyes can tell me whatever you want. I can understand that. So, without opening the mouth, without making noise, we can do such a lot of things. Hereafter, when you look at the person who is not specially challenged or not able, give them and help them and try to talk to them with actions. Thank you. Stay safe.